let me do this.
Oh, alright. Alright, guys. I got this from one of my friends, and it's not freaking working. Look in there. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. Like, these wires are like the automatic off, but it doesn't work anyway. This is like, it's, look, just watch.
But also look at this. See this right in here? I don't know.
That's not. I don't know if
That's
that's right.
probably part of the
spark
problem.
plug, which is not.
My friend Nick thinks it's right, but
No, I don't think it's right. I know it's not right. That's why that's not.
if you guys know any ideas why it's not starting, I don't know if it's under there or something.
I didn't look under there. Alright.
I don't know.
This is my dirt bike.